So hi everyone, welcome back once again to our daily hacking news. Today is 19 February 2026 and we have some amazing news in the cybersecurity and AI world. Guys, there already a AI summit is going around in Delhi. So just let me know if you're joining because we have something for you in the AI summit, right? Just let me know in the comment box. Now let's get started with the first news. So guys, it's related to Gemini. So researchers actually warn scammers are abusing Gemini AI chatbots. Victims are convicted to buy fake cryptocurrency investments, which is so how AI tools are increasingly used in financial fraud. So I already told you last time there's a lot of Gemini chatbot I use for doing fraudulent things, right? Now one of the most famous thing that we have on the internet right now, OpenClaw, right? So OpenClaw security risk rise concern. So right now experts says OpenClaw have multiple security weakness. There is misconfiguration which is expose sensitive data and systems, right? So right now the safe deployment of the platform is considered very difficult because there's a lot of guys who was planning to do, but right now it's tough. Next news is coming from French. So guys, French President Emmanuel Macron is in India and there is a breach which is going around in French. So right now, French minister confirmed bank data has been exposed. So French authorities have confirmed that unauthorized access of their data has been granted to someone. Around 1.2 million bank account may be affected, which was where the investigation into the breach is ongoing. Right. Next news is related to VS Code. So VS Code extension with 125 million install at risk. Right. So yes, the popular VS Code extension with over 125 million install exposed users. So guys, the vulnerability which could allow attackers to run malicious code, developers are required and requested that update extension as soon as possible, right? Now the next news is related to CISA. So they have warned about an exploit which on Team T5 product flow, right? So CISA actually reported hackers exploiting vulnerability in T5 product, right? What is T5 product? Taiwan security they have, right? So attackers are actually gaining the unauthorized access to the system. So organizations also advised to apply patch urgently, right? Now the next news is related to Dell, right? So Dell recover point zero day exploited. So recently, Chinese cyber espionage group linked to the Dell zero day attack. The vulnerability which was affected Dell recover point system, right? And enterprises urges to patch the monitor system as soon as possible. Now Citizens Lab news is there, right? So there is a product which is Calibrite, right? So Citizen Lab just found something there. So Citizens Lab actually found Calibrite forensics tool used in investigation. The tool can extract data from logged mobile devices, raise privacy and surveillance concern as well. Right here you can see. The next thing is related to Notepad plus plus. So Notepad update mechanism hijack fixed, right? So there was hijack, right? So researchers found vulnerability in Notepad update process could allow attackers to hijack software updates and patch has been released to fix the issue, right? Now the last news is related to Copilot. So guys, Copilot and Grok can be manipulated. Yes, it can be done. So researchers actually demonstrated prompt injection risk in AI tools, right? So Microsoft Copilot and Grok could be tricked into safe action, which highlight growing security risk around AI assistants. So guys, that's what we have today. In case if you want to learn about web application pen testing, this is what we have. Right, check out the URL and viehgroup.com/tci and you'll get to learn about how a website can be pen tested, right? And you'll learn a lot of money. In case if you're joining uh AI Sabir in Delhi, just let us know. Our team member is there and you'll get a lot of things to get there, right? So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.